Holy shit. Don't want to make a wrong turn there. Woo, buddy. This is just absolutely stunning. I'm at the top of American Gulch, just off the Cinnamon Pass. That's Cinnamon Pass up there. Got some campers down here, living life large. Saw a mountain goat earlier. Hope not to see a grizzly. If I do, at least 200 yards away. Left the bear spray on the bike, which was probably a dumb thing to do, but I got 380 packing. Fucking campers.
While Harry was doing this whole American Pass or American Gulch, Neil and I were at this point already in Colorado Springs, and we were heading east through Kansas. So we basically left Lake City the day before in the afternoon, and then the next day Harry did this ride until I guess midday, and then he also packed up and headed out. So he recorded some video. It's not, it's hard for me to tell a story here, but it was like a fun day of riding. So sorry I couldn't join him, but we were easily 300-400 miles away when he was recording this. And eventually, by the way, he ended up catching us, which isn't too surprising given his commitment to very efficient road tripping. So, enjoy the rest of the video. Harry's solo day in the mountains.